Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you or be discuss with you how to retrieve deleted messages on Instagram. But first, check our special offer in the description. So let's get started. So if you want to retrieve certain messages that you've deleted or someone deleted inside your chats here, well, this one is kind of easy, but there is a whole process that you need to go through. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up the Instagram app here and you want to access your profile by clicking on your profile icon at the bottom right of your screen. Now, once you are in your profile, go and click on the three bar icon at the top right of your screen, and you want to look for the account center, which is usually the very top or the very first option you should be seeing. Let's go and select that. Now, in here, you want to look for your information and permissions, which is going to be the fourth option or setting that you should be seeing. Let's go and access that. Now, in here, you want to choose the export your information section, the first option that you should be seeing. Now, from here, you want to go ahead and choose the create export button. And what we are trying to do here is we are going to export every information on the account that we'll be choosing. Now, since we want to retrieve messages from an Instagram account here, you may want to go and just choose the Instagram account that you want to create an export for, and just choose the export to device option here. Once you've done that, you want to go ahead and choose your date range. Now, if you want to recover messages from like last 6 months or 3 years. Now, the shorter the date range you have, the faster the export is going to be. Typically, it takes a whole day for them to create an export, but it totally depends on how much information or data you currently have on your account. But once you've done that, go ahead and click on save. Now, from here, you want to go and click on customize your information or export. Now, you can go and disable everything here by clicking on clear all, and just make sure that the messages is the only one that you've selected. Now, once you've done this, you can go and just click on the save button. And from here, you want to go and click on the start export that you see at the very bottom of the screen, and they may require you to enter a password. Now, once you've entered your password here, they will start the process of you recovering your data. So in this case, again, it may take a while for them to recover every information, but once your data has been exported, you should be able to see it the same page here in your export your information section. You should see your current activity here. But if you, like, for example, you've just let it process for a few days, you can just go to the past activity section and you should be able to access the specific data for it. Now, then again, it does have a time limit, so just make sure to access it immediately as soon as you can. And once you do, you should be able to see all your past information or even lead messages inside your Instagram account. And that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.